the simplicity. You maintain the
Yeah.
simplicity and live life. I don't say you don't enjoy, you enjoy also. Hi Dipali, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for
Good
asking, ma'am.
morning. Yeah, great. Okay, so Dipali, what are you doing recently?
I am doing a lot of things.
Oh, like,
Like creating content, mini blogs, shorts, and also spending time with my siblings, family. And
okay,
next week it is my cousin marriage, so I'm busy
okay,
doing
so
shopping. So all these things, yes.
okay, great. So busy. So you are on YouTube and Insta and all, right?
Yes, YouTube on
Okay. So you have
YouTube.
your own page.
Yes, actually, recently I have started my YouTube channel. Have a long way to go, clapingo. Please do subscribe my channel.
Yeah, definitely. It's with clapingo, so definitely I'll subscribe. So what is the name you said?
Have a long way to go. You must need to add clapingo. So then you will find my channel.
Okay, I'll definitely subscribe to it. Don't worry. So, what are your major
Thanks.
concerns with your English, Dipali?
Yes, sometime I do make mistake in tenses, sometimes sentence structure, preposition, articles, and lots of things. I have a long way to go.
Right.
But
So
with
basically,
practice, I am overcoming all these mistakes and I am improving to speak correct English. So yes.
right, right. And I feel that you're working it right. Only a few mistakes till now what we've done. So it's okay. That is okay.
Yes.
But yes, you have a long way. Like we all have a long way actually to
Yes.
go, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Dipali,
Ma'am,
where do
I
you
actually,
belong?
I am from Amaravati, Maharashtra.
Okay.
And where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So
Wow, that's nice.
we share the same state, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it's what is your qualification? What have you done, Dipali?
Yes, I have completed my post graduation in commerce. Yes.
Okay. So you don't want to pursue something in commerce? Like, are you looking for a job in commerce field only?
Actually, I am searching a job in banking sector, and I have given a lot of interviews. And because of location issue, and my goals are different, and because of that, I haven't joined an organization. So yes, I wish and finger crossed I will get a US based opportunity. So I'm waiting for that opportunity.
All the best.
Yes.
See, what
Yeah.
we can do is we can try, right?
Yes.
The
Yes.
rest is in the hand of God and our
Yes.
fate, right? We can
Yeah.
only try. What destiny holds for us is a totally different thing, right?
Hmm.
So we should
Ma'am,
not.
actually, I have something interesting to ask. So can I?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah. So why we do not appreciate whatever we have achieved?
See, we humans are so much greedy, right? When we
Hmm.
achieve one thing, right,
Hmm.
we want more of it. We are not
Yes.
satisfied with what we have. So that
Yeah.
is why when we get one thing, it is always that we want the other thing, right?
Hmm.
So it is human nature. You cannot change it.
Yes.
If that thing goes, so probably we'll become God,
Yes.
right?
And yeah. And what do you want to tell them and tell yourself and to how to appreciate oneself, like whatever you have achieved. And yes, I have a long way to go in terms of everything, in terms of career and life and all. So life is short and we want to achieve all these things in one life. So do you think that it is possible to achieve all the things in one life, or we want another life to live all our dreams?
No, we need to set our goals, right?
Hmm.
We should go step by step. We should not jump like one day I'm working for this, the
Hmm.
other day I'm working for that, right? So
Yes.
it is always that we should work for one
Hmm.
goal at a time. Suppose I want, like for you want to improve your English, right? So
Yes.
first work on that,
Hmm.
and then set another goal. Set a time period for your goal. That okay, within 6 months
Yeah.
uh, I'll have a proper English, right? I'll be able to speak proper English.
Hmm.
Once you attained that, then skip to the other thing.
Yes. And ma'am,
Okay.
I have another question to you. So can I?
So basically, you're going to put up this video on YouTube.
Yeah, sure.
Or
Why
you're
not?
taking my interview instead of me taking your interview.
No, ma'am. Actually, like you are like elder than me, and you know you already experienced a lot of things in your life. Like you do know that how success works and how failure works, and you also had achieved a lot of things in your life. So like I actually want
Right.
to make experiences. You know, like one experience can help other person. You know, and other person can get a lot of
Right.
things and positive approach and positivity. So yes, and hope as well.
Right.
You know, hope is
See,
most
my
important thing in our life. So and we
yes,
can't be
exactly.
positive all the time, and sometimes we need people suggestion and their guidance. So yes, with this video people will get help.
So
Yes.
basically, your success and your failure should only be yours, not anyone else. Yes, your close ones, like your family members, like your mother, your father, your probably your husband, your child. They are not jealous of your success. So that is the
Hmm.
thing. That is what I feel. What about you? What do you feel? How do you take success and failure?
Actually, I am learning from failures and I am trying to appreciate whatever I have achieved in my life. Because sometimes what happen, we do not appreciate whatever we have achieved in our life. We always dream and we always trust on ourselves and we believe that yes, I can do better than this. So why I did this? So I am able, I'm capable to do better than this. So I didn't give even I give my 100%. So why I didn't get that result that I want and that I'm expecting from myself only. So sometimes you are not ready to appreciate yourself. So do not put down yourself. Just always try to appreciate yourself, and if you are not able to appreciate yourself, start to do that. Because it increase your willpower, and we can't be a positive and hopeful person all the time because we are humans. Recently I have watched one channel. Do you know ma'am Sandeep Maheshwari sir?
Working as a teacher, right? I
Hmm.
I work with clapingo and I have other edtech. Like I'm working with one more edtech, so I don't get time. But whenever I get time, yes, I normally see his like someone a forward from the WhatsApp group, or sometimes when I scroll on Instagram. So yes,
Hmm.
I do listen to him, but not very often.
Yes, yes. And so actually, ma'am, he recently posted one community post that he is going through some like a tough time, and he is right. He is good now. He recovered whatever he had faced in during
He
that
had
period.
faced.
He had finished whatever he was going through. So now he revealed that like I am also human. It is not possible to positive all the time. It is not always like it is just normal for everybody. I am also human. You are also human. So I like the way he said and the way he revealed. Like no one will criticize him. Because he is right. Like he is also human. Even if he is a motivational speaker, sometimes it happen in our life that we also feel demotivated. So there is nothing wrong in that to feel demotivated. And ma'am, what is the big issue that if we are just revealing that I am feeling demotivated, I am feeling this, I am feeling low, so no one will appreciate you because they are only want to listen positive things you know
Right.
so
Dipali,
yes,
have you seen an ECG machine? Have you seen an ECG machine?
yes, yes, yes,
How it goes? For a dead person, it is a straight line, right?
yes, yes, yes,
And when you are alive, it goes up and down. So those
yes,
ups
yes.
and downs are a part of the life, right?
Yeah,
Then you
yeah.
have those
I
ups and downs. downs, you're alive. When it is a
Yes.
straight line, means no more, nothing you have to do, right?
Yes. Yes.
Life is all about ups and downs. So don't worry. It is for
Yes.
everyone that it's the same thing. We have good time, we have bad time. If
Yes.
we see the same time, how will we get motivated to do better?
Yes.
Right? So that is the
Yeah.
thing that you need to work on.
Yes. Instead of feeling bad and feeling sad and not do anything, it is always better to do something. Like yes, I'm doing something, and that something will convert into outcomes. So there is always hope.
Right, right. So you should
Yeah.
always work for it, right?
Yes.
Always
Yes.
strive to be the best, to be a better side of yourself.
Yes.
Always. Just
Yes.
just see, it is not that you should always look up. If you look up,
Hmm.
whatever is coming in front of you, right, you might trip and you might fall.
Hmm.
Right? So see,
Yes.
in English we have a saying that simple living and high thinking, right? So you
Yes.
should think high, but your
Hmm.
living should be such that it maintains the simplicity. You maintain the
Yeah.
simplicity and live life. I don't say you don't enjoy, you enjoy also, but
Hmm.
within a certain limit with barriers to your thing. Okay, ye nahi ki if you're getting 100 rupees, you're spending 110, right? So it should be like if you're getting 100, you are
Balance.
saving
And
50,
ma'am,
you
balancing
are,
life is
yes,
very difficult. It is very difficult, and it is just like a learning tax. This is your tax and you must learn this, because it's a skill after all. And even confidence, you can't be confident all the time. Sometimes you feel down, like underconfident, sometimes overconfident. Overconfident is not good in person, in anyone. That can spoil you as a person. So yes, like if you are confident, so even if you are not confident, we can grow our confidence. Like yes, today itself only I have seen one podcast, and she was talking about, she used to do that. She was very underconfident, and fake it till you make it. Have you ever listened this line? So
yes.
yeah, even you do not feel confident, and when once you fake it, and then till you make it, so it become very easy for you to build your confidence.
Exactly. Right, Dipali, that is one thing. See what happens when you tell your
Hmm.
failures. That is what I told you in the beginning. That when you talk about your failures with others, no, they
Hmm.
will they will not help you.
Yes.
They will not help you to overcome those failures. Instead,
Hmm.
they will demotivate you more. कि नहीं
Hmm.
होगा, तुमसे नहीं होगा. It is that kind of attitude. It is not, basically it is our human mentality, human psychology, you can say.
Hmm. But ma'am,
Right.
don't you think that like we are human and we always want to speak out? Like if you are not speaking out what you are feeling and what you exactly want to say and what is happening in your mind, if you are not comfortable, and if you want to store in all your mind, so when your mind will work, and when you will get time to work on other things. And I think that like we are human, and you must speak whatever you are feeling. Like it's okay, like whatever they think, just let them think it. Like if you feeling exhausted, sometime you will become bomb and it will get burst.
No, it happens. See, it happens. But see, what happens is, it is my personal experience that
Yes,
when you
yes.
have something in mind, right, and if you
Hmm.
tell that thing, it will never, because see, there are
It's
people
so
who
right.
are your well wishers and
Hmm.
who are not your well wishers, right? They want
Yes.
you to fail. So whatever you want to achieve first, and then show the world that okay, I have got this, I have done this, right? I am going to do this. No, never ever disclose that. Never ever disclose that thing.
I
So
have
that is,
read it somewhere that when you want to achieve something in your life, just do that. Like instead of telling people that you are going to do that, you are going to do that, your dream is going to spoil. So
right. That is what the thing. That is what the thing is, Dipali. Don't tell your before achieving or before starting a journey. Never tell what you have to do. Never. Always, basically, when
yeah.
you have attained that, when you started your journey, you have started to getting your results, you are
Yes.
moving towards your goal, then you should say, okay, I'm doing this, and that I am doing it, I'm trying to do this. I
Hmm.
have done this, yeah, I'm trying. Okay, you should not show
Yes.
your actual thing, your achievement. It is, see, action speaks louder than words, right?
Yes. 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 Yeah.
So
Agree.
your actions should speak, not your words, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because there are many people who say, no, I have done this, I will do this, and I'm able to do that. No,
Hmm.
let your work speak for you. That is
And
what
ma'am,
I.
actually, when we reveal that, so sometime that capability and it get decrease because you
Yes,
already reveal that, and because of that, you do not feel like I will do that, like okay type of thing. So it sometime demotivate you, like you will as much as you reveal, as much as you will not able to do that in good manner.
right. Dipali, see, that is what I told you. There are good people and bad people. I think the class will end
Yes.
any moment now, right? It was a 15-minute session, right?
Yeah.
So it's going, it's already 18, so it's going to end anyway. So it is okay. Or you, whatever you speak should, like whatever you do, it should be able to speak for you. That is what I feel.